안녕하세요. Hello K friends, welcome back to my channel. Last time I showed you how to make fish cakes at home. Today I would like to show you how to make a refreshing and delicious fish cake soup. Ready to cook together? Let's start. This is the homemade fish cake I made. Since the fish cakes are fried in oil, either blanch them briefly in hot water or soak them in hot water and then take them out. This makes the broth clean and light. Doing so removes some of the oil. When buying fish cakes, choose those with a high fish content for better taste. As you can see, the oil is visible. Cut the radish into appropriate thickness for the fish cake soup. Adding radish to the soup makes the broth much more refreshing. Also, cut a little carrot for color. This is optional. This green onion is one that I grew in a pot. Cute, right? Slice the green onions diagonally. Cut about 2 into appropriate lengths to use later for the broth. Pour about 6 cups of water into a pot. Add 2 pieces of kelp. Add a handful of dried bonito flakes. If you don't have bonito flakes, you can skip them. Add a sliced radish, carrot, and green onions. Boil for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take out the kelp and other ingredients. Strain the bonito flakes as well. This makes the broth clear. Let's season it. Add about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. The radish and carrot that were set aside can be added back in. Later, eating the radish and carrot with the fish cake is delicious. Add about 1 teaspoon of sugar to increase the sweetness. Add half teaspoon of salt. When the radish is somewhat cooked, add the fish cake. You can add the fish cake as is or puree. Adding the fish cake after radish is cooked keeps the broth clear. Another tip is to boil the fish cake soup over medium heat to keep the broth clear. If you have boiled eggs, add them too. Also, keep the lid open while boiling the fish cake soup to prevent fish smells. Lastly, if you have a mirin or cooking wine, add 2 tablespoons. Then adjust the seasoning with the salt to your taste. If you like a spicy flavor, you can add 1 to 2 chili peppers. If you have mushrooms, add 1 to 2 as a garnish. Adding rice cakes is also delicious. Boil for about 3 more minutes. After 3 minutes, serve it in a bowl and enjoy. Let me make a dipping sauce for fish cakes. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of mustard sauce. Add half teaspoon of honey or sugar. To keep the sauce from being too salty, add a half tablespoon of water. It's delicious when you dip fish cakes in this sauce. Let me try. Wow, this fish cake soup is so delicious. It really hits the spot. Wow, look at this. It tastes so good. How was today's recipe? In this cold winter, it would be great to make and enjoy such warm food. This is all for today. I'll see you next time. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.